Hello, students. You see, question number 109, 10 to 115. MCQ questions from all course same impact guide. Now you see question number 9. Question number 109. The circumference of a circle of diameter d, clear, d units is pi d, so 2 pi d, 4 pi d, and pi d by 2. So you know the formula for circumference of a circle. Just I'm writing circumference of a circle. You know what? 2 pi r. Yes or no? So 2r means 2r means diameter. So instead of 2r we can write pi d. Clear? Now the thing is that in our formula they asked the circumference of a circle of diameter d, that is d units, it will be what? You see here pi d, so pi d is the answer. The circumference of a circle of diameter d units is pi d. So as per your question, this should be your answer. So as we have seen it here. Clear? Now our next question, 110. You see, if the probability of a player winning a game is 0.79, then the probability of losing the same game is what? Now you know one thing, the probability of E, that is P E plus P not E, that is probability of an event plus probability of not an event is equal to 1. Now these things you know. Now probability of winning a game and probability of losing a game will be also 1. Why? Probability of winning a game and not winning a game. That means probability of not winning a game is probability of losing a game. So that's why we write probability of winning a game and plus probability of losing a game is equal to 1. Now probability of winning a game is given in the question. You see here 0.79. Clear? Now if you take this one on the right hand side, this from here 0.79 is given plus probability of losing a game, you will find it out. Clear? Now 1. So if you take this on the right hand side, it will be minus. So from 1, if you subtract 0.79, we'll get what? You see, probability of losing a game you will get. Clear? So these things will get. So subtract, you make it like decimal. After 1 you put 20, because after decimal 20 we are making like decimal. Clear? Like this 1.00. Then after point you put point, then 79, and you subtract here nothing is 0. Now take 1 here, from here 10 minus 9 it's 1, and here will remain 9 minus 7 it's what? 2. Clear? And point we will put here. Actually this one you took it from here because it was 0, so here it will be 0 plus in the scatter. So it is 0.21. So in the option it is given 0.21 or not. You see here it is given in option number D, it is 0.21. So this should be your answer, because 0.21% also it is not correct, because it should be the meaning is that 0.21 percentage means 21 by 0.21 by 21 by 100, and if you just divide this by 100 you will get 0.0021. So that means this is not the answer. Clear? So don't be confused here. So that means this is your answer. Clear? 0.21. Now our 111 question, if the roots of a quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, a and is equal to 0 are real and equal roots, then which of the following relation is true? So here you know one thing, for quadratic equation discriminate for real and equal root 0. So you know b square minus 4ac, b square minus 4ac is equal to 0 for real and equal roots. For suppose I'm just writing for real and equal roots. equal roots, or we say for real and equal roots, we know your discriminant is equal to 0, and your discriminant formula is b square minus 4ac. Now here they said which of the following is true. Now you see, if you bring it here b square minus 4ac, this result, if you bring it here, it will be 0. So that means either so our formula is b square minus 4ac. So here in other option, ac into b square. Clear? So b square minus 4ac will get like this. Clear? So you see here also b square minus 4ac. So 4 is not there, so this result will not be possible. Here also 4 is not there, it is not possible, but here it is possible. So in option number C, it is written like this. You see, here it is written AC is equal to b square. AC is equal to b square minus divided by 4. So if you do cross multiplication, you will get 4AC. 4AC is equal to b square. Now if you take this on the right hand side, 0 is equal to b square minus 4AC. That means this is satisfied with this. Clear? That means here our option number, this one will be your answer. So b square minus 4ac will be 0, because from the formula you know, for real and equal roots, b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Because of that, this would be your answer. Not this, and not this even also. Clear? So this is the answer. Now our next question. If cos alpha plus beta is equal to 0, then the value of cos alpha plus beta by 2 is equal to what? Now you see one thing, here we know in trigonometric ratios, here given cos, you see here given what? Cos alpha plus beta. Cos alpha plus beta is equal to 0. From here we will start. You see cos alpha plus, you see cos cos alpha plus beta is equal to 0. Now as it is 0, so you make this ratios equivalent to cos. So this one I can write cos alpha plus beta is equal to cos 90 degree is equal to 0. Clear? That you know, cos 90 is equal to 0. Now the being cos ratios will get cancelled. So here what value you have to find? Cos alpha plus beta. Alpha plus beta by 2. Let's see. Now cos alpha plus beta, we are getting this. So alpha plus beta will get how much? You see first. Cos will just we can ignore. So we'll get alpha plus beta is equal to 90 degree. Now you find the half of these angles. Now if you divide this one by 2, this one also you have to divide by 2. So alpha plus beta by 2, just 90 degree divided by 2. Clear? So alpha plus beta, you are getting 90. Clear? And divided by 2, so you are getting 45. So now you see here, if you write cos alpha plus beta by 2, and here the ratio also you have to write cos, and 90 by 2 you know it's 45. Clear? So 45. Now these angles you have to find. You see, you have to find out the value of which angle? This angle. Clear? Now cos alpha plus beta, here you are getting cos alpha plus beta by 2 is equal to cos 45 degree, and cos 45 degree value we know 1 by root 2. So that means cos alpha plus beta by 2 will be 1 by root 2. Now you see the option here. In option number A it is present. Option number A, 1 by root 2, because cos 45 degree you got, and the value of cos 45 degree is 1 by root 2. So that would be our answer. No need to see the other option. Clear? Now this is a direct question, just I am saying you that question number 113. For some data x1, x2, xn with respective frequencies f1, f2, fn, the value of sigma xi minus x dash, that is the mean. So deviations from the mean with the product of the frequencies, if you sum up all the values, then always you will get that value 0. You can check it in one problem. So that is equal to 0. So as it is MCQ questions, I am just telling you directly, just remember this value always will be 0. So that's why this option will be option number D. So deviations, always you see deviations from the mean, mean observations here, mean deviations from each observations. Clear? With the frequencies, if you sum up, sigma means if you sum up all this, you will get the total result is equal to 0. Clear? Clear? So just to show you that one, I'll need more time. Just that's why direct MCQ question, you remember this value direct always will be 0. So that's why I'm showing you it is 0. Clear? Now next question 114. The middlemost observation of the every data arranged in order is called what? Median. Or in ungrouped of data you have seen, the middlemost observations of the data is called as median, but the data must be arranged in either in ascending order or descending order. So here the given the middle most observation of every data arranged in order is called what? Must be median. So option number B would be your answer. So as you know, the middlemost item of the data is called as median. Clear? So looking on that directly we can see, but that should be arranged in ascending or descending order for ungrouped data. Clear? Then only we can find it. Its value will be median. Now last MCQ questions. Here every composite number, I mean you see every composite number can be expressed as a product of its prime, and this factorization is unique. Apart from that, apart from that, apart from the order in which the prime factors occur, this is known as what? Actually, that is known as fundamental theorem of arithmetic. You have done in Euclid geometry. So I just am discussing. So every composite number, say I'm giving you an example of an composite number, say number 6. Clear? And if you split it up like this, so you will get 2 3 is 6. Clear? So all composite numbers we can, not only this 6, say if you just split it up, we can write into its prime numbers 2 into 3. Clear? So we can factorize that composite number into its prime factorization. Clear? It can be factorized as a prime factorization. So that may occur in its apart from its order different also. We can write this as also, that is 3 into 2 also. We can write this one as 3 into 2 also, that not matters. So that's why it is said that every composite number can be expressed as product of primes, and this factorization is unique. So that factorization you have seen unique, all the numbers are coming prime. You can see here. Clear? Now that's why you can say apart from the order in which the prime factors occurs, that we have seen. So that is known as fundamental theorem of arithmetic. So option on that option is present or not. You see, this is first option is given your Pythagorean triplet, Euclid's division algorithm, here fundamental theorem of arithmetic. So option number C. Clear? So that should be your answer, option number C. And Euclid's division algorithm, that you know, to find out the ACA we use that. And Pythagoras theorem, you know, sum of the square of two sides is equal to the square of its hypotenuse in a right angle triangle, that you know. And Thales theorem, you know, also basic proportionalities theorem, that we have done. So that means as per your question, this one, your option number C would be your answer. Clear? So and in the next video I'll show you for few more. You just study this carefully. Clear? Leave it up to this much.